So hair is unraveled. We're still twisting. See how small this is?
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
Welcome on, guys, it's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're slow down, if you're returning, what's up, y'all? Yeah, we're attempting to do mini twist yet again. You guys remember my mental breakdown I had when I attempted doing this? We're gonna try it one more time, and thank God Blue Magic came to the rescue to motivate your girl a little bit to try it out, because well, you guys already know how good Blue Magic is over here to us, for us, with us, not against us. But I think what's gonna help me this time around is having my hair prepped and ready. So let me insert some clips on how I prepped my hair for this style and how we got to this point and what we're gonna do in a bit. So check those clips out. It's all in the hair prep, right? Well, for this hairstyle, I started on freshly washed, shampooed, and deep conditioned hair. Blue Magic has a hair cholesterol treatment that my hair really loves. I have a more detailed review on my channel using this product already, so check it out. But it really hydrates and moisturizes my curls and gives the juice. I went in with another fave from Blue Magic. It's their olive oil leave-in conditioner, and I applied that all over my hair. And I also spoke about this on my channel before, and put my hair into 2 braids until I was ready to style and break them into smaller sections to braid again. Just take a look at how my hair looks. So hydrated already. Rocked this style for a couple days until so my hair now looking like a spider. My hair is already moisturized, well, semi. Do you already know what product we're going to seal the deal with? But let me unravel this real quick to show you guys that my hair is still moisturized from using the leave-in conditioner. It's one of my favorite leave-in conditioners from Blue Magic, actually. So hair is unraveled, so the hair is stretched. My roots are wet, yes, because I worked out not too long ago, and you guys know I sweat a lot in my scalp. So I'm just taking out the shed hairs before I start twisting. Try this out so you won't be as intimidated. Styling freshly washed hair is very intimidating to me, especially since I have so much hair. But anyway, y'all ready? Now is the Blue Magic Originals Indian Hemp, my fave. I think this one is, well, I haven't tried the coconut oil one as yet, actually. But a huge shout out and thank you to Blue Magic for sponsoring this video. These are products that I actually use and love, so that's a plus. You should be able to find these products at any of your local beauty supply stores, or speak to the manager if you don't see it around, and maybe they can guide you in the right direction or become a source. To be honest, so far this is my favorite. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and put that over my hair, mostly the ends, and we gonna twist. Parts don't have to be clean. How many are we going to go? I don't know yet. I'm not gonna braid the roots. I'm just gonna twist from the roots. So the thing is that braiding the roots is gonna be harder to unravel. So I'm not gonna braid the roots, but I'll just twist tightly from the roots. So I'm not finishing all of my hair today. I'm not gonna stress myself out with that. I have a whole week to attempt this. So the fact that I have my hair into sections is gonna make it a lot easier, and I have a style already, so it won't look crazy if I do leave my house, you know. Do you guys see how long this one twist is taking already? Yeah, I wanted to start at the longest parts of my hair because I know that's gonna take the longest. So yeah, that's why I started back here. There's another Blue Magic product that I'm going to use on my ends. You guys will see that later in the video. That will give me some more moisture and some curl. I used it before on my channel. We're still twisting. I twist pretty fast though, depends. So I'm not giving my hair a chance to roll back up on itself, not twisting all the way to the ends, because who really has the time for that? This is one twist down. Whew, how long we gonna leave this hairstyle in? A long time. A very long time. Sorry. Not sorry. But mini twist is a style that just gives me a break from doing my hair. Plus, it can be styled in many different ways. But let me ask you guys a couple questions. When was the last time you've worn mini twist? If you've mini twisted your hair before, have you? If you have not, why haven't you? So you guys see how small this is? I'm gonna have to watch a movie or something because this gonna take a while. Guys, I'm gonna stop here for now to get something to eat, and I have to leave the house to train my clients. I'm gonna have to see you tomorrow, but I may do some of it tonight. But let me just show you how I can put it up, and it doesn't look that bad, but I don't see him there. Let's see. You just pay attention. But wait, guys, it looks so good, and it's not even done because I'm gonna curl the ends. Oh my gosh, what you guys are gonna see, so stay tuned. Okay, so let me just put it up real quick. Okay, hold on. Good morning. Hey, decided to switch up my morning routine a little bit to get my hair done. Before we get into it, I'm hosting a giveaway. Yay! One of you will be the lucky winner of 4 Blue Magic products of your choice. Check the description box for more details and also check the comments, which I already completed half of my head. So now we're gonna do the rest. So this is how I've been walking around with my hair. Unless you're looking too hard, you wouldn't even realize. And if you're looking too hard, then yeah, styling and profiling, what's up? Let me take it down to show you guys the business. Y'all saying, but it looks so good. My hair is moisturized and so soft. I look back at the video where I did them the last time and my hair was actually a lot bigger. Well, a twist. I actually did them bigger the last time, but my hair has grown compared to the last video, so it's interesting to see. So the same energy I gave the other side, I'm gonna give this side. I'm gonna start at this part of my hair. I had unraveled this one to start, but I was like, nah, let me just finish one side. So then I went to the front. Oh, I'm doing the Senegalese method type twist, where I'm twisting the hair first before I twist them together. I'm just wrapping it around my fingers, then twisting. My twist will stay twisted longer, it'll last longer. That means the same thing, right? If you're an in context type of person, you would pick that up. And my hair will stay moisturized longer. But only thing with twisting my hair that way, I don't get as much volume. I have medium density hair, but then it depends on how I style it. That's why curling the ends gives me some volume. Listen, it's a whole science. When you know your hair, you just know. Well, for me, I know what my hair can and cannot do, and I know what I can do to get a certain look with my hair. That comes with experience, and that's why I love sharing my experience with you guys. Doesn't mean that everything that I do on my hair is going to work for you, but you can at least try it out. I also get more length with this type of twisting. We have 100% human Senegalese hair in twist. Yes, baby, not finished yet, but we sing, you sing. Until we've come to the end of the road, it's the last twist to go. We're on the last twist, we're done, baby. This took us like how many days? 3-4 days? I lost count at this point, but I was tired. I was ready to be finished, but we have one last step. The twisting is done. I also use this in the video. It's the Blue Magic Curl Activator. I'm gonna curl these ends one by one. Girl, why you gonna do that to yourself? But we gonna do it. Kept the middle part, but if I do want to swoop some of my twists from the other side over like this, we're looking kind of crazy right now. As I said, I didn't twist to the end, so this is the last and final step. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back up. It's very lightweight. Just gonna pull one by one and curl the ends. I may or may not have to use a thicker holding gel. This also adds hydration on the ends as well because of the consistency. So let me do this. But to be honest, I can do 2 at a time. You see that? It gives me the curly type look, but with twist. 3 days later, and we're done. Yes. I'm proud of myself for finishing, you know? But let's get into it. So, of course, my hair is gonna shrink since I added some curl activator. And I did go in with a heavier holding gel at the ends. Just wanted to bring it in the front to show you guys how it looks, how the hair is sitting. It's giving curly with a twist, right? I'm gonna stop being corny one day, but not anytime soon. So, ooh. The hair is moisturized. It's not weighed down. It's actually very fluffy and full. So of course I'm gonna check in with you guys probably until I take these out. I'm gonna show you guys the takedown process as well. I think I'm gonna rock this for at least a month. My birthday month is next month, so I'm probably gonna take them out a little before that and then style my hair somehow for my birthday. I don't know how I'm gonna wear my hair for my birthday yet. And of course I can do different styles with the twist, but we know what I usually do. I'm gonna really try. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, okay? See you guys in the next one. Bye.